parking brakes don't sit. What's up, guys? We're out at the beach today in the Jeeps. Got my brother here with us. He's testing out his new JKU that he got. He recently traded for this, so it's a pretty clean little Jeep. So he's testing this thing out today, and while he's testing this out, I have new floor mats in my Jeep that Last Fit sent me. So they have these fitted floor mats. They're model specific. They have them for all kinds of vehicles. This one's obviously the Jeep Gladiator kit. They have these fitted floor mats, goes over the hump in the back and everything. So we're going to be testing those out. They're like factory floor mats. They have the little locking clips in them to where they don't come up, they don't slide or anything. They're nice and textured where your feet won't be slipping on them if you get all wet and muddy and stuff. So we're testing those out. We're gonna go play around with the Jeeps and see if maybe find somebody stuck out here. We got tide's kind of high today. It's a little higher than normal. We're on a falling tide right now, but the hurricane that's hitting Florida actually just made landfall a few hours ago, and late last night. So tides are still a little funky out here because of that. So go see what we can get into. So my brother's gonna try flexing up on this log here, see how much flexes his new Jeep has. Watch your back tire there. There you go. You're good. You got it. You coming. You coming. You coming. Good. Do what? A little bit more. Right. You're starting to teeter right there. You caught the edge of that tree too. That's why it started to teeter. Caught the edge of with the back tire. You could probably go a little bit further if it wasn't for that. But you're right on the end of it. Not bad. So this Jeep, he actually got a heck of a deal on this thing. More and more we kept looking at it, the more and more like really expensive parts and stuff we found on it. It's actually got the Rubicon axles under it. It's got nice wheels and tires on it. She'll end up probably putting something else on it. It's got the dual exhaust and the XRC fenders, bumpers and winch. It's got one of the S-Pod electrical systems on it to run the lockers and all the light bars and all that stuff. So actually has like a really solid setup on it. Not bad. It's got a pretty good amount of flex on it. Anyway, pull my Jeep over here and see how it does. Yeah. Be a cool picture to get yours on that next little knot right there.
Oh yeah, that would be. I'll pull it back over here.
You gonna get it? He's gonna go pull his over here. Just pull up on this other little knot right here. Get a picture of our Jeeps flexed up. This is his first Jeep. So he's learning all the Jeep stuff. This is like I think this is number 14 for me. I've had like 14 different Jeeps, a couple different Gladiators, a bunch of Wranglers, Grand Cherokees, all kinds of stuff. So we out here messing around. It's my weekend off. If you saw my last video, I think I explained we went hunting and stuff yesterday. We got quite a few birds. It wasn't like we didn't all like limit out, but we had a really good shoot yesterday. So we're gonna mess around out here at the beach, and then we're gonna go and cook the birds up for lunch. So, anyway, my brother's gonna pull his Jeep over here. Go back, there you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Go back, driver a little bit. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright. Pretty good there. Got both of them. We're gonna take some pictures of these things real quick. We're gonna go cruise the beach now. We got, I don't know how well you can see him back there. Brother's back there behind us. We're out here cruising Bryan Beach. This is Bryan Beach in Freeport. See if come down here towards the clay bank. See. Maybe find somebody stuck before we leave out of here. Who knows? Far down as we can go on Bryan. We're on top of this little island that's formed in a little cut. So mouth of the Brazos is actually over there. That's the clay banks over there, which if you watch some of the recoveries that we've done, that's back off over there. So we are gonna head over towards Surfside and see if there's anybody stuck over there. We made it down here to Surfside. Tide's still pretty high, even though we're on a falling tide right now. It's still real high. You can actually see that dark line in the sand. You can kind of see it better that way. You can see the tide was a lot higher earlier. High tide to be just about almost to the dunes right now with the storm out there in the Gulf, or at least the residual. Shift gears. With all the residual storm surge falling, so we're gonna keep on cruising down. Look at all these dragonflies. Look at that. I don't know if how well you can see that. That is absolutely crazy. There's there's like hundreds and hundreds of dragonflies flying around. And my weekend off is over. I am back in the Freightliner now. We had a nice chill weekend. We were able to get a bunch of stuff done and everything. So had a good time and everything, but now it's back to work. We are on our way right now to pick up a 2024 Honda Accord. It's supposed to be inside of a garage, I believe, with no power. Says it doesn't go into neutral because those are electric shift also. But Honda was smart enough to put a shift lock release on those vehicles, I believe. They're just kind of a little bit more hidden than normal, so some people don't know about it. So we will see what we got here in a minute. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, so we are pulling up. I'm gonna jump out here and go see what we got. Kind of expecting it to be able to roll out. Pretty out here. Still got paper plates on it. Hybrid. Oh, there you are.
How are you?
Not too bad. How about you? Oh.
Been better.
Been better if your car would run?
Well, yeah, considering I bought it on Monday.
I was gonna say it's still got a November paper plate on it, so.
I pulled it in the garage, and that's it. Now it won't get out of park unless you do
the shift lock release.
The shift lock, which I did, but then when I started it up, I mean the whole car shook, and I was just like, no.
Right.
I'm not doing anything.
I don't blame you.
So, yeah, I'm not happy.
I don't blame you. I wouldn't be either. Okay, you still got that. Was the I wonder if the it's got some power.
Oh yeah, it starts. It's running. It's one of those hybrid cars.
Hybrids.
You can't hear it, but
right.
Yeah,
It does say low battery though. At least it's got the parking brake off, so if we shift lock it, it'll at least go into neutral and roll. Huh, that sucks. Let me snap some pictures of it real quick. Then going back to the Honda dealership.
Yes, sir.
Anybody in particular I need to ask for up there? Wasn't sure if you'd spoke to anybody.
No, I called them this morning and.
Third, okay. Well, at least service department's aware of it then.
Yeah. Told them, yeah, I was supposed to go out of state on Sunday morning and kind of not happening.
Yeah, no, that's kind of put a damper on your plans there. I'll get all that in a minute. Cool, let me back in here real quick.
Okay, I'm on a Zoom call, or
yeah, no, you're good. I got it from here. I'll get it out of here, and I'll shoot you a text or something, let you know, hey, I got it dropped off, and this is who I gave the keys to and everything. And then that way you're free to go on about your day, and I'll get this thing over there for you.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Yes, you too. All right. I don't think this one's gonna be too bad. It's got some power. I did not see the electric parking brake button being on. So I don't think the parking brake or anything will be a problem. It might have enough power to shift if I get it into run mode, but we will see in a minute. Right now I just want to get backed into the driveway here. I don't know, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but it's kind of up on a hill here. I don't know if you can see how much of an angle. I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle to go uphill here. The sun glare is killing me. I think we're gonna that about good. The annoying airbag buzzer is on. Got my gloves and my remotes. Up of the bed. Run the bed all the way out on this one. My bed a little bit so it doesn't drag. Let's see what we got to hook. Controllers on these. This thing is brand new. It's kind of weird because I don't tow very many Hondas. Especially brand new ones. Engage my winch. Alright. Get my glove off here. Not shift at all. So the shift lock is down here. And do this little. Let me grab the little screwdriver. Thing has 93 miles on it. That is insane. Let's see if I can. All right, neutral. I felt it roll. I'm gonna roll the window down so I can steer it. Making its little chimes, letting us know she's neutral. Hopefully the parking brakes don't set. Set. I don't want to sit on my screwdriver. Put a hole in his nice, pretty, brand new seats. I'm going to set that right there. I'm not going to set the parking brake. my luck, it would run out of power, and then I wouldn't be able to get the parking brake back off. Alright, bed is loaded. Run the bed in. We're out of the garage. Because we're at such an angle, the bed is pretty much level. You see how low the nose of the truck is. I'm not gonna roll the bed down completely just yet. At least until I get a strap on it. Especially being a hybrid or electric shift kind of vehicle. You might let something weird happen and find out it's actually in neutral and roll forward and hit my headache rack. Crunch the back of their pretty car. That's how nose low we are. I don't know how the camera is showing the angle here, but it is pretty steep. A lot of the houses out here are built up pretty high. So all of this was under a lot of water during Hurricane Harvey, where we had all the real bad flooding. This whole area was basically underwater, like a lot of water. Get the rest of my straps thrown on here. All of these straps, really, most of my, no, not like that. All of the equipment you see me use, straps, ratchets, chains, bridles, all that stuff, all from JRDG Towing Supply up in Fort Worth. I will put a link to them in the comments, always in the descriptions of my videos. Got a discount code for them as well. Dustin 5% off your order. All this equipment is a lot higher quality than some of the cheap stuff you get off of Amazon or anything like that. This is all diamond weave material. There's a lot of these straps. So like this, like my last set, I used for over a year. Every day, all day. God only knows how many cars I towed with them. And then started to get a little tattered, but they're still usable. I still have them on the truck as a spare set. Alright. All 4 straps are on. Everything seems to be secure. There's no doors open, fuel doors, nothing like that. annoying airbag buzzer. Let my airbags reinflate so I don't drag his nice pretty driveway coming out of here. I need to hit towing on tow book, so that way they know where we're at, what we're doing. We are going to make our way over to the Honda dealership, get this thing dropped off so they can figure out what the heck's going on with it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share. What's up, guys? We are on our way to go pick up a 1-ton van right now. One of the Chevy Express vans. Not really sure what's going on with it. It was just a call from a customer. It's not like an accident or anything, but there is an officer on scene, they said. So I'm not sure if he's broke down in a bad spot or what exactly is going on. We are pulling up here, or as soon as we come over this next little bridge right here, we ought to be able to see him if there's an officer on scene. It's 5:10 on a Monday afternoon, so there's quite a bit of traffic. See behind us there. Let's see. I don't really see. I see them. They're on the exit up there. Not sure exactly what's going on. I don't see anything too crazy looking up there. So. Traffic's pretty bad because of everybody getting off of work. You're gonna hit our lights here. It's like a off-duty. Oh, it's Harley. Okay, I know Harley. One of my cop friends. Get on scene. What's up, Harley?
What's up?
I didn't expect to see you here.
I know. I was driving. I wasn't expecting to stop.
How you doing?
Dustin, how are you?
Not too bad. So what's going on with this thing?
It's old.
It's old.
It's just acting stupid and driving it. There's like this on the road. And
That's not good.
hey, I'm pulling over. I don't need a wreck or hit
That's
somebody.
a good idea.
So I thought, I hope Myers comes out because I know you guys from
Yeah.
MSR.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm like, thank God.
Right.
All right.
Cool.
Everything.
We'll get that when we get in the truck. I know who you are. Well, let's get off the side of the road here. Nobody cares we're here. These guys work out at the racetrack. Talk to Harley about finishing up the lights on my Jeep. Got a whole bunch of emergency lights I got to finish wiring up on my Jeep. I had to warranty out a bunch of stuff, and it kind of killed the progress. I can get that fixed soon, hopefully. It's hooked up. See if we can do this without laying in a bunch of ants or something. Big old pile of ants right up here in front of us. Keys are in this thing. Get her in neutral. Is this door shut?
Yeah, that's
okay. I just want to make sure. Oh, it's good.
This is a victim of the Hurricane Beryl.
Oh, that happened in Beryl?
I live in Surfside.
Yeah, watch these ants here.
Yeah, when I was trying to leave, the wind was 70, 80 miles an hour.
Right.
And I was trying to get my dog in there, and it caught the door. The wind caught the door and went past the hinges.
That
and
sucks.
Won't close
Now
properly.
that sucks.
I had a board hit me there. A board knocked out my other window. So yeah.
A little worse for wear then.
And I've been trying to stretch this out as long as I can without making a claim.
Right.
And it's just not getting any better.
It's just kind of getting to that point now.
Yeah. Well, you know, when it's dying on me and I'm on the far lane,
Right.
I gotta pull over and I lose steering.
This is
And then I got all kinds of dash lights coming on.
that's a bad spot for that to happen.
So yeah. go
Let
ahead.
me throw her back in park real quick. That door should be open. That should be good. There you go. I'm gonna roll the bed up here real quick. Because of where we're at, I'm only gonna throw a couple straps on it. Get off the road, because even though we're on this little entrance ramp here, come to the inside, get away from that valve stem. Even though we're on this little entrance exit ramp right here, there's still a lot of traffic. So it's a little after 5 o'clock on a Monday. About time for everybody to start getting off of work. A couple straps on this side here, and we're gonna get the heck off the road somewhere safer and strap down the other side. Out of here.
Thank you for coming.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Glad I could help.